folding Firebox Nano. I couldn't do a little series on stoves without including this. This is the Gen 2 titanium version. You don't need to buy the titanium version, but if you've watched my videos before, you know I've got a bit of a liking for titanium. It's not a fetish, it's a liking. I no longer own the Gen 1 version. Not because it broke or it wasn't any good. I gave it away to someone because I thought they might enjoy it. This little man is brilliantly designed. He can be used with gas, a whole range of alcohol stoves, fuel tablets with the fuel tab accessory. It also works well with fire. With the legs folded in, it will take small pots. With the legs folded out, you can go bigger. The accessories you can get for the Firebox Nano, they all make sense. They all have a purpose. I'd like to be able to get my hands on the grill for the Firebox Nano, but I can't find it anywhere in the UK. If anybody knows where I can get one, let me know in the comments. So based on value for money, functionality and happiness factor, using this little stove, you've probably guessed by now. From me, it's going to get a 10. It's a really enjoyable experience using this little man. It packs down flat. It does everything I want it to do. It's built to last forever. What more can you ask for?